Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be a first impression review slash makeup tutorial on the new Urban Decay Naked Reloaded Palette. So, if you want to see my review on this, then don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any new. I prime my list. Now this is the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded Palette. And then when you open it, you're going to see these beautiful neutral tone shades. I absolutely love this for an everyday wear. So I can't wait to play with this eyeshadow palette in a few seconds. To start this off, I'm going with this shade right here. It is called Blur. I'm going to use this as a transition shade going into my crease. Next, I'm going to take this light brown shade right here and it's going to go into my crease to darken it up a little. I'm taking a flat brush. This one is Morphe M421 brush. I absolutely love this for carving out the lids, for cut crease, or to pack up some eyeshadow, some glitter, whatnot. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And I'm thinking about going with this shade that is called Reputation. It's like a metallic shade. It is like so beautiful. Look at this metallic look. So that's gonna go right on the inner corner of my lid. And I'm just trying it out with the brush is not sprayed, so if I needed to give it a much more pigmented look, like to get really like bold and dramatic look, like glitz and glam and stuff, I would definitely spray it. But I'm definitely trying it out dry and not wet with a setting spray. Okay, not a lot is showing, so I am going to spray my brush with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray to give it a little pop more, because I absolutely love this metallic shade. So, love it so good. Okay, so I'm gonna try some more, cause for like a first impression, these shadows are not that really pigmented. You definitely have to spray your brushes to build it up, but they are like very creamy. They're very creamy, and I love the matte shades as well. The glitter shades, the matte shades are very creamy, but they're not that much pigmented. But the matte shades are pigmented, but you definitely have to build it up. It's not like, I like this metallic one, but it's not showing as much. The glitter shade is not. I'm going to take this shade that is called Retro, and I'm going to like put it into my crease in my outer corner to define it. Oh, look at this. I'm very pigmented. I wish the glitter shade was the same, but okay, these colors are not doing nothing for me. So I'm gonna try something right now. I'm gonna go back to my flat brush, and I'm gonna take this Dream Waver shade, like a silvery shade, and I'm gonna put that right like into the center of my lid to create like a, maybe like a halo effect. I'm gonna try that, and I am not a makeup artist, so this shade that is called Dream Waver, love it. Okay, so I'm putting this right in the middle. I want to see what's gonna happen. Is it gonna give it like a pop of color? So okay, so I'm gonna try this shade again, the Dream Waver, like a silver shade with like sparkly shade. That's gonna go onto my entire lid, like half of the lid. I'm gonna see. Oh my god, this palette is driving me insane right now. It is not pigmented. The matte shades are, but the shimmery shades you have to keep spraying your brushes to build up the shimmer. And who wants a palette like that? Like, I love Urban Decay, but what's happening? What's happening? This eye always look better than this eye. I don't understand why. Honestly, I don't love this palette. It's not the look I was looking for. So I'm going back to retro to define my crease in my outer corner. For my brow bone, I'm going with this sparkly white shade that's called Angel Fire. See, that's pigmented, but I just don't understand this palette. Look at this. Like, it just like fades away. And I'm gonna say it again, I am not a makeup artist. I just love trying out makeup, reviewing it for you guys, testing it out. I'm gonna finish putting the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back to give you my honest review about this Urban Decay Naked Reloaded eyeshadow. I am back with the finished look. This is how it looks with all the makeup done. My honest review about this Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette is I love it. The only thing I just don't love about this palette or the shimmery shades, because they are not very pigmented. I had problems building it up. I sprayed my brush 3 times and it's a good spray. I used the NYX Matte Finish setting spray and the shimmer shade wasn't coming out very pigmented. I tried it again and again and again. I was definitely struggling with these shimmery shades and I don't like it. But the matte shades are very pigmented. They're very creamy. They blend nicely into the crease and I love it. I had no problems with it. But the shimmery shades, what happened? Why is it not pigmented? But like I said before, these colors are great for everyday wear. It's a great everyday wear, like going shopping, going to the movies. Those are some examples of everyday wear. You should wear these shades. But I advise you don't use the shimmery shades because it's not very pigmented. You have to spray your brush more than one time. And I also tried it without spraying the brush, and still. This palette retails $44 and it is available at Sephora and Ulta Beauty. So you definitely have to check this out. And again, please keep in mind the shimmer shades they're pretty, but it's gonna take a while to build up. So keep that in mind. That's like a warning for me. The shimmery shades, the beautiful ones, they're gonna take a while to build. Another thing about this Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette is the packaging. Do you guys see the packaging of this palette? It's very soft and it's like a pillow top feeling. Oh my god, this has a soft feeling. Like, Urban Decay is not normally known for soft palettes. Their palettes are usually hard. Like the Cherry palette was a hard palette, and the Born to Run and their other palettes was hard. But this one is very like pillow top feeling, so soft. You just want to hug it. This palette is very lightweight and it comes with 12 shades, and yes, it does have a lot of fallout on it, but I know most palettes have like fallout and whatever. The only palettes that don't have fallout is like a palette that has like all matte shades or whatever. But in my experience, I have tried many palettes throughout the years and they all have fallout. So again, this is lightweight and it comes with 12 shades for just $44. The moment you've been waiting for. Was this palette a hit or a miss? Okay, this palette is a miss because I expect more from Urban Decay, especially how the price is $44. They're known for their price to be very high, and so I wanted like all the shades to be great, including the shimmer shades. I don't really just want the matte shades, so I'm gonna say this palette is a miss because I don't really like it at all. Because I want to create more looks with this, and how am I gonna do it when the shimmery shades are not pigmented? And even if we try to build it up, it still doesn't come out pigmented. So I don't like it, and I don't recommend this if you are looking to try out this palette. This is not good for you whatsoever, so please don't waste your money on this palette because it is not good. This is definitely a miss. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. If you like what you saw in today's video, then please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. I'll see you in my next video.